So moving on with the rope material, pretty simple as well. Let's open the material editor, and in here we're going to create a simple EYECONE design material. Let's rename this. We don't want any reflectivity on this, so let's zero this out. And let's put on the diffuse color a rope map. So I'm going to click and drag, standard, bitmap, and let's choose a rope. There you go. Now, I don't want to use a displacement on this because it's not a very detailed object. We are not going to render very up close. So instead, what I'm going to do is change this to black and white and apply the same image to the bump map. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find this color correction map. Click and drag. And let's plug this on this side. And let's plug this other side to the bump map. Now I'm going to open the color correction. And I'm going to change to monochrome. And let's just scroll down and increase the contrast a little bit, like so. Also, let's open the rope, scroll down, and increase the bump to something like 2. Once that's done, let's select the rope and apply the material. Now remember, the ropes were created with lines, so remember to check generate mapping chords in every line material so you have a correct mapping going on. Okay, so just make sure that it has generate mapping chords checked and just select every rope and apply the material. And let's do a quick test render to see how this looks. So I'm just going to change my camera, choose the region, like so, and render. There you go. I like the result of the bump, but in my opinion, this rope is a little too dark. So let's use another color correction to fix that. So I'm going to open the material editor again, and I'm going to drag another color correction, and I'm going to let this go in this red line, like so. I'm going to open this, and let's just decrease a little bit the saturation, increase a little bit the brightness, increase contrast, just trying to create something that's a little more subtle on the coloration, something very light, not very brown. Want something a little more discreet, like so. And let's do another quick test render. My test renders take 1 minute, 1 minute and a half tops. If it takes longer than that, try to shrink your resolution so you won't waste too much time. There you go, it's close, but it's not there yet. So let's try this again. Something like that. Let's try that. There you go, much better. That concludes our rope material. In the next clip, we're going to focus on the floor. So I'll see you guys then.